The Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2 combines powerful suction, smart LiDAR navigation, and a self-emptying dock for easier daily cleaning. With vacuuming and mopping in one, it helps keep floors clean with less effort. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2 Robot Vacuum, Base Station, Vacuum Mop, Power Cord, Side Brush, Dust Bag, and User Manual. How to pair. To connect your Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2 to Wi-Fi, first reset the network settings by pressing and holding the power and home buttons together for about 3 seconds until the robot announces that it is waiting for network configuration. Then open the Dreame Home app, tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Choose Add Device manually and select your Dreame vacuum model from the list. After that, choose your home Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and follow the app prompts to connect your phone to the vacuum's temporary Wi-Fi. Once the phone and robot are linked, return to the app and wait for the setup to finish. When the app confirms network connection successfully, your vacuum is fully connected and ready to use. How to use? To start the initial setup of the Dreame Robot Vacuum, first remove the protective film from the base station and place it in an open area with a strong Wi-Fi signal, leaving at least 1.5 meters of clear space in front and 0.5 meters on both sides. Plug in the base station and make sure the indicator light turns solid, which confirms it has power. It's best to place the station on tile or masonry flooring to avoid possible water damage. Next, remove all protective film from the robot, including the top cover, sensors, and camera, and pull out any protective strips. Press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to turn on the robot, then install the side brush, take out the water tank, and fill it with clean water. Do not add detergent, as it can damage the internal system. For better mopping results, wet the mop pads first, wring them out, and attach them flat before reinstalling the tank and pads on the robot. Finally, place the robot on the base station to begin charging, wait for the voice prompt confirming charging has started, and then continue by connecting the robot to the Dreame Home app for full setup. Maintenance. To clean and maintain the Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2, wipe the top and keep the LiDAR sensor free from dust using a cloth or compressed air. Remove the dustbin to clean the inside, empty and wash the bin if needed, and tap or air clean the filter. Do not wet it. Check that the front bumper and sensors are clean and moving freely, and regularly clean the cliff sensors, charging contacts, side brush, and main roller, removing hair and debris as needed. Keep the self-empty port clear and maintain the mop system by rinsing the mop pads and wiping connections without adding detergent to the water tank. For the dock, lift the cover, remove and replace the vacuum bag, and check inside for dust buildup or blockages in the suction channel and sensor area. Clean the LED sensors and charging contacts on the front and ensure the self-empty channels are clear. Wipe the dock regularly and keep the underside channel clean for smooth operation and strong suction performance. Smart features? Delivers up to 6,000 pascals powerful suction, effectively lifting dust, debris, and pet hair from both hard floors and carpets. Ensures deep and consistent cleaning performance for everyday home maintenance with strong airflow efficiency. Automatically empties the robot's dustbin into a large capacity bag inside the dock, reducing the need for frequent manual cleaning. Holds dust for up to 90 days, keeping maintenance minimal and the vacuum ready for regular use. Uses advanced LiDAR technology to scan and map your home with high precision for efficient and organized cleaning routes. Creates real-time maps that help the robot avoid obstacles and clean every area systematically without missing spots. vacuums and mops at the same time, removing dust while wiping floors for a complete cleaning experience in one run. Adjustable water control ensures safe and effective mopping on different floor types without overwetting. Powered by a large capacity battery that allows up to 285 minutes of continuous cleaning on a single charge. Ideal for large homes, enabling the robot to cover multiple rooms or floors without frequent recharging. Control cleaning schedules, maps, and settings directly through the Dreame or Xiaomi Home app for full convenience. Supports voice assistance for hands-free operation, allowing you to start or stop cleaning with simple voice commands. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2 robot vacuum from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Dreame D10 Plus Gen 2 robot vacuum. See you at the next one.